Good morning, cadets. I welcome you back for the computer science class. And in our previous class, we have discussed about the flow of control, isn't it? The statements flow of control. In this, we have discussed about what is the sequential flow of logic, and then similarly, what is the selection flow of logic, and the iteration. So we'll see in detail one by one now, right? The first one is the if, the control statement, conditional statement. If statement of Python is used to execute statement based on the condition. It tests the condition, and if the condition is true, it performs certain action. We can also provide action for false situation later. Thus, that's how the if statement can be further divided as a unidirectional conditional, a bidirectional conditional, and multidirectional condition. Only if is a unidirectional, in that no false condition statement will be there. If true, what is to be done? The bidirectional example is if with else, if true, what is to be done, and if false, what is to be done. If with elif, that is multiple directional condition. If one condition is true, what is to be done? If the condition is fails, based on that you can test another condition. In that condition, once again true, what you have to do. If it is false, what you have to do. Like that, it is a chain of if conditions. So the different forms we can say: if without false statement, if with else statement, that is with false statement, if with elif, and nested if. Now let us see the simple if here. In the simplest form, if statement is Python checks the condition and execute the statement if the condition is true, and do nothing if the condition is false. The general form, the syntax: if condition, that is a colon, indicates it is a compound statement, followed by statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and so on. All the statements belonging to if must have same indentation level. That is what required. If statement is compound statement having header and a body containing intended statement. It is a compound statement basically. There may be a simple statement also. If the condition is true, you may execute only one statement, okay, or you may have multiple number of statements. What are the points to be remembered with if? It must contain valid condition which evaluates to either true or false, and condition must be followed by a colon, which is mandatory, and statement inside if must be at same indentation level. Let us see an example here. Input monthly sale of employee and give bonus of 10% if sale is more than 5 lakh. Otherwise, bonus will be 0. So initially we'll take bonus as a 0. We'll enter the monthly sales and stored in the variable sale. If the sale is greater than 5,000, sale is greater than 5 lakh. So in the question it is given 50,000 only, not 5 lakhs it is. So if the sale is more than 50,000, colon, sale is greater than 50,000 is the condition. If it is true, bonus is computed as sale into 10 by 100, that is 10%. 10 by 100 is nothing but 10%. Okay. Otherwise, your bonus remains as 0, and after coming out of the if, that is print is written below if, therefore bonus equal to the string bonus. What is the meaning of that? Otherwise also it will concatenate both the strings, bonus as well as, even if you write only bonus without string also no problem. In that case, bonus equal to comma bonus you have to display. If you would like to see, I would like to demonstrate that. What is exactly that one? Let us go to the ideally. You should not have a confusion at this point of time regarding your, that is what is the string sir has used there. Okay, let us see. One program will execute here. I will take bonus equal to 0 at the beginning. Okay, if your sale equal to int input enter sale amount Okay, integer form. If your sale is more than 50,000 colon, then you will calculate bonus equal to your bonus, whatever amount you have entered, that is sale, into 10 by 100, that is 0.1%, and you will print here. Here you are going to print bonus plus string, the value of bonus. Let us see how it will print now. Okay, let me save. I'll give the name, program name as bonus. Save, run. Enter sale amount. Let me enter as 70,000. The bonus and the 70,000 both together, it will be made as a concatenated. Suppose if I run the program and if I enter the value, one second, it is executing now. Sale amount I will give is 40,000. Your bonus will be 0. This is one way of. Otherwise, simply what you can do now, your bonus equal to, you give a comma, the value of bonus, then also it will execute. Let us see. Save and run. Okay, I will enter same 70,000. Now bonus equal to 70,000. That's concatenating, that is string. str means your bonus integer will be converted into string, and of course it will print as a your 7,000 rupees. It is the your bonus. Similarly, if you enter any value that is less than 50,000, let us say as 30,000, your bonus will be 0. Okay, this is just for the purpose of demonstration, right? Keep in your mind. Now second form we are going to see, that is if with else, multi-directional. If with else is used to, not multi, sorry, bidirectional. If with else is used to test the condition, and if the condition is true, it performs certain action and alternate course of action if the condition is false. Means if condition is true, one set of statements, if condition is false, another set of statement. That is how the syntax: if condition colon statements, else colon another set of statements. Let us see an example of this. Input age of a person and print whether the person is eligible for voting or not. Enter the age. If age is greater than or equal to, congratulations, you are eligible for voting. Else, sorry, you are not eligible for voting. If you want that also, we can execute and see that program. Let me save as vote. I will give the name of the program as a vote here, voting. Okay, now here no bonus, nothing. So here I will take it as age. Okay, I will enter it as a age. Input, enter your age. If condition, if age is greater than or equal to 18, if age is greater than or equal to 18, what you have to do? You have to print congrats eligible to vote, right? Eligible to vote. Okay, there's no bonus, nothing here. Now your condition else will be below if here. Else, what you have to write now? Print sorry, not eligible to vote. Okay, let me save this and run. I will enter age as 34. Congrats, eligible to vote. Here I have to give the spelling right as vote, right? Save it, run. Suppose if I enter the age as 10, sorry, not eligible to vote. Very simple examples. One examples we are doing in this, right? Now let us go ahead. Similarly, you can do any number of exercises on this. Now the third form is if elif, if with elif. If with elif is used where multiple chain of conditions is to be checked. Each elif must be followed by a condition, colon, and then statement for it. After every elif we can give else, which will be executed if all the condition evaluates to false. You can see the syntax here. If condition, statements, elif, another condition, statements, elif, another condition, statement. If all the conditions are failed, then finally else a statement. Let us see here example. Okay, enter the temperature. If temperature is greater than 100, print gaseous state. Elif, if it is less than 0, print solid state. Elif or else it is a liquid. These three possibilities, either gaseous or solid or liquid. What I will do now, I will take the same program. Okay, let me go here, let me take it new rather than I can save time. Okay, input enter temperature. If temperature greater than 100, make the indentation as a print. Then you bring here elif. If temperature less than 0, take the indentation here, else take the indentation here. I will save it as temperature program. Okay, let me run this. Run. Run. Temperature I will enter as 120. It is a gaseous state. Run. I will enter it is as a 90. It is a liquid state. And less than 0, I will enter as minus 10. Then it is a solid state. Hope you are understanding what it is here. Less than is solid state. Okay, greater than 100 gaseous state. Between 0 and 100 is liquid state. This is what our program of if elif. We'll go ahead now. Okay, now the nested if. In this type of if, we put if within another if as a statement of it, mostly used in a situation where we want different else for each condition. For example, you can see here, if condition 1 is true, then if another condition, okay, then the statements, else another set of statements. If this condition fails, we'll go to the elif, we'll check another condition. If it is true, 1, okay, and then you can have else of that particular elif. Understood? So multiple if within the if is called as the nested if statements. Okay. Now best example is what you can say. If three numbers you can take. If a is greater than b, then if a is greater than c, elif. That example I will do here so that you can understand how exactly nested if we can use it. Let me take a new file here. Okay. A equal to int input enter a, enter value of a. Okay, similarly I will take b, c, all the three I will enter here. Copy paste, copy paste. This will be b, and here it will be b, here it will be c, and here it will be c. All the three, largest of three numbers I want to check now. So how I will do? If a is greater than b colon, if this is true, if a is also greater than c, true, then print a is large. Okay. If condition this fails here, then it will come else here. Print c is large. Very simple. Okay. Now first this condition fails, I will take here elif. Now b is checked with c, right? Colon, print B is large, right? So else of this, where it will come else of this now, the syntax is very important. Okay, else print C is large. Let us check this, how it will execute. Say large, I will name the program large, say run. Okay, some problem here, indentation level. Which one? Let us see. Okay, 10, 20, 30. C is large, correct. Let us check all the possible combination. Now 10, 30 and 20. B is large. Now let us check the third condition, third possibility, 30, 10 and 20. A is large. That's how it will work out. Is it clear? Right? For largest of three numbers, example of nested if it is, right? Now let us see storing condition. Okay, in a program, if our condition is complex and it is repetitive, then we can store the condition in a name and then use the named condition in if statement. It makes program more readable. For example, x is less than y and z. So what you can say, okay, y is greater than x and also greater than, so sorry, y is greater than x and also z is greater than x. Y is less, okay. So this condition, you can write this multiple statement, and if this y is less or x is less, you can use in your program. And num is modulus, num modulus 2 is equal to 0, you can consider it as even. If rather than writing how exactly it is, I will tell you, so that I can take an example how the named condition can be used. Okay, now num equal to int input enter value of num. Okay, now I will take a condition here. Okay, here I will take even equal to num your modulus num modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now I will write here if even, I would have written if num is equal to 0 like that. If even print even. Okay, else print odd. Let us check this program, right? Save even. I will give the name of the program as even. Let me run. Okay, here what was this one here? Just you see it, even equal to, double equal to you have to give, right? Not single equal to. So you have to give here. Where is my program? This must be double equal to. That condition we are putting it in even. Therefore save and run. I will enter 4. It is even, right? Similarly, I will enter 9. It is odd. That's how the condition can be put there. Okay, with these examples I would like to stop at this point of time, and I will continue regarding your looping statements in my next class. Till then, bye bye. Okay, we'll stop.